Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Stuck choosing between the Nikon 18-140mm zoom and the 40mm micro lens? It's a tough call for any Nikon shooter.
The 18-140mm zoom, B01882XYPO, looks like the ultimate do-it-all lens. But is it really a jack-of-all-trades, master of none?
Not at all. Think about it. You're at a family gathering, snapping wide-angle group shots, then zooming in for candid portraits. All with one lens, instantly. Plus, it has vibration reduction.
Okay, but the 40mm micro, B07CHXQLKQ, is calling my name. What if I'm obsessed with capturing the tiniest details, like textures on vintage coins or the intricate patterns in a butterfly's wing?
Exactly. Let's dive deeper into the specs and see which lens truly shines for you. The 18-140mm 7.8x zoom range is seriously impressive for everyday use. Imagine going from 18mm for landscapes to 140mm for wildlife without swapping lenses.
But that versatility comes at a price, right? Is the sharpness comparable to a prime lens, especially at the telephoto end? I'm worried about soft images.
Valid concern. The 40mm micro, being a prime lens, likely wins on pure sharpness and clarity. Think about that 1-to-1 reproduction ratio. True life-size images of the smallest things.
True, but being stuck at 40mm could be limiting. No zooming to adjust your composition on the fly. You're physically moving to get the shot.
That's where understanding your shooting style becomes crucial.
The 18-140mm vibration reduction gives you about 4 stops of stabilization, which is amazing for handheld shooting in dim light. But the 40mm micro lets you get incredibly close, focusing as near as 0.53 feet.
So the zoom helps avoid blurry photos in general situations, while the micro lens reveals details you'd never see otherwise. It's like having a magnifying glass for your camera.
And the 40mm micro boasts a silent wave motor. That near-silent autofocus is crucial when photographing skittish insects or delicate subjects. No buzzing to scare them away.
So, if you need a reliable, all-purpose lens for a variety of situations, travel, family events, general photography, the 18-140mm zoom is a solid choice. Plus, it's often available renewed for around $230.
But if you're passionate about macro photography, crave extreme detail, and want to explore the hidden world around you, the 40mm micro at around $218 renewed is the clear winner. Both are fantastic Nikon lenses, but they cater to different photographic passions.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.